Okay, so let's say we are teaching something like apples, pears, and other objects. At first, we can start with something funny. For example, 1, 2 apples, 1, 2, like this, yeah? And then, let's say, 1, 2, 1, 2. Who can count? Come over here, count with me. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, okay. Then, adding some chants, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in, please, and close the door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit down and don't be late. Yep. Or let's say we are teaching colors. When there is something like, for example, yellow or red, every time we can sing something like this. Do you like? Do you like red? Do you like red? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like yellow? Do you like yellow? No, I don't. No, I don't. Or do you like yellow? Do you like yellow? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like red? Do you like red? No, I don't. No, I don't. So these things you can combine with literally everything. For example, colors, fruit, like do you like bananas? Do you like bananas? Or do you like apples? Do you like pears? Do you like mangoes? And so on and so on. All right, the other things, very easy. One is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Indians. Instead of Indians, you can sing fingers like 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers. And that's pretty much about all. So another chant is about the birds, 2 little birds. Two little funny birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter! Fly away, Paul! Come back, Peter! Come back, Paul. 2 little funny birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, another named Paul. Well, okay, bye.